No, because I'm scared.
What is the reason
I'm
you
serious.
afraid from Muslim people?
In my country, I have to see one Muslim. She broken up with her husband,
Wrong.
and
Every religion have a good person and bad person. So I have a question. In Cambodia, Muslim are live in there.
okay, yeah,
You
have a lot of Muslims.
you have any friend, Muslim friend?
No, because I'm scared. That's true.
So what is
I'm scared to sound like like you sound right now. You know, when I'm going outside in the night, when I hear you sound like this, I in my brains, I have nothing to do. I just feel like run. They tell me run, so I'm running. I'm never back again.
okay? What is the reason
I'm serious.
you afraid from Muslim people?
I'm not afraid of everything. I'm just I'm just scared the sound and the culture. Like their clothes, the everything, like their hair show only the eye.
It's a good.
And some people they're broken up with the husband.
Uh,
No, wait. I'm sorry to say that, but in my country, I have to see one Muslim. She broken up with her husband, and she have a new husband. They want to marry and have someone kill them.
it's really sad.
That's why I'm scared. All
And
Muslims.
not all
Oh my
Muslim
God.
are
I'm
not
really
same.
scared.
Okay, tell me.
Question.
All Muslim are not same. Okay, I'm a Muslim. Okay, are you afraid for me?
No, I don't think so. But I'm just see like that.
If
No.
if any one are wrong, every religion have a good person and bad person. Have in the any religion. Do you follow any religion?
Yeah. In the world, is how a bad person and good person in the same country.
Yeah, anywhere, not only your country or my
I
country,
know that.
whole world, they have bad and
Yeah,
good
I know
person.
it.
But Muslim are always not bad. But world or nowadays news, Muslim people are very bad. But it's not true. What do you think? I don't know. But because if any people,
But I have something to tell you. I have something to tell you. Like I have to go into visit in Malaysia and Singapore. They are Muslim, right?
yeah,
You know about it.
yeah.
And I respect them so much because you know why? They see all the stranger and they never lie all the stranger. If this like is it water, how much is it? Example like $1. They take only $1. But another country, they talking like this is a $2 or $3. The water. That's why I don't respect. This one I respect from Muslim. I'm serious.
Okay.
They are not lying. They never lie.
Because our community, our religion never supports tell lie. We believe
Mm-hmm.
telling lie it's a good, it's a big sin. To tell a lie, big sin.